Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV, and today I will be showing you how to restore an old wig or an old ponytail. If you have curly hair that has just died on you, constantly drying out, won't stay moisturized, then I am going to show you what you can use on it that will restore your old wigs and ponytails. So guys, let's get to it. All right, guys, well, look, I have an old ponytail here. I have an old wig here. And both of these are over 10 years old. Now, I am just going to throw this ponytail on, but I have to moisturize it and get it together. The first thing you're going to do, just comb all of the naps out. Okay? Guys, when you try this technique at home, leave in the comments your thank yous. See how nappy it is? It's bad. Now, once you comb it out, once it's all combed out, you're going to spray it with water. Make sure you spray it with water. Now we done sprayed it with water, right? Guys, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share this video with everybody you know, baby. Okay, let's make sure that those ends are saturated with water too. Okay, so we rubbed it through, right? Now, we all know that when we put water on our ponytails and wash them, they good for a good maybe day or two. Maybe. So what we're going to put on our hair is, guys, this. This is Carefree Curl Activator. Guys, I'm going to tell you right now. I'm going to put this in my hand. We're going to rub it, and we're going to rub this all through, okay? Make sure you rub it all through. You are not going to puff up through the day. It is not going to be getting dry on you or anything. And as you give your old units treatments, they are going to stay moisturized longer. They're not going to ball up and get all nappy on you. You'll be able to go a while without having to do anything to it. Now, okay, so this is the hair that came out earlier. That's how nappy it was, guys. Look at that. Okay, so now you got it on, right? You got all the moisturizer on. It does penetrate the hair, guys. All right, so now I am going to put this ponytail straight on. Okay, let me get a bobby pin. I am going to put this ponytail straight on, guys. This ponytail is so old that you know how your combs, when they get wet, they get all rusty. I had to take combs out. That's how old this ponytail is. And that wig unit that I showed you. Okay, so I got my pins in, right? So what I am going to do now, I am going to pull the string. Okay, I'm going to pull the string. I am going to get a bobby pin. Okay, I'm going to get a bobby pin, put that bobby pin on my string. And I'm just going to stick that in there anywhere. Get some here. We're going to go around here. Can you see it? Guys, that is literally it. This is going to stay straight. It's going to stay moisturized, and you're not going to have to worry about anything with your curly units, your curly wigs, your curly ponytails. It will restore them. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And guess what? This is another banger. And until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed, love one another, and I'll talk to you later. Mwah.